Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS, and on this Cadillac STS we're going to go over how you would replace the lights on the back, being your tail lights, side marker light, reverse light, and license plate light. You got a side marker light right here inside the bumper. That one's easy to get to. This one here is your clearance, brake light, and everything built into one. And this is all LED. So to fix this, if it's broken for whatever reason, you'll need to replace the whole unit. This, your reverse light, we got 1 and 2. Those are a replaceable bulb. And then we've got a bulb here for your license plate light. And we'll go over how you replace all those. So to start with, we're just going to go over how you would replace this light bulb right here. That one with the vehicle on the parked and solid ground. You can be able to reach up under there and reach up on the side of the bumper and be able to twist that out and replace it. So you'll see up there the light, this is where the light is in the bumper, and we're able to twist and pull that out and drop the light down. And now you'll just pull this light out to be able to replace it. And this light bulb here is a W3W light bulb, and that's what you would get to put in and then replace this light. So you'll take your new one if you need to take a new one, and you just line it up and press it in, and then we're going to reach back up in here and line up the tabs, turn it a quarter turn to the right to put that light back in. So thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.